Hello, Ronald. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Ronald. Come. Is he feeding you junk food? It's by the babies. Oh, look at you. It's the problem with putting more toys in here. You don't actually see the toys. And that one needs a little bit of revamping. They love this one. I'll fix it up for them. Hello! Hello, my bubbas. We've got big babies. Hi. Come on. Hi. Come on. Hello, you, baby. Are you taking her to Oliver? You're going to do her beak. You're going to do her beak today? Okay. You're going to get the clippers. Daddy, get it to your beak. Hey, Daddy, get it to your beak. Hey, come. Come on, Peaches, come. Hi. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Hello. Hello, my beautiful angels. Where's my red rumps? There they are. Oh. Hello. Hello. Hello, you. Yes, you can come on my head. If you're happy and you... Oh. Bit sick. Bit sick. Oh. Moby. Moby. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Hi. Hi. Look at the other gorgeous one I've just seen. There, look at you. All playing with Mummy's toys. Oh, Mummy must make you more toys. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You cheeky little conures. You cheeky little conures. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Daddy's going to cut your beak now. Look. Oh, yum, yum. You've got a beautiful mix today. Look here. You've got wheat, millet, sorghum, black seeds, white seeds. Oh, look at that here. Oh, look at that. Hello, you gorgeous creature. But those beautiful red drums, are they not beautiful? Come. Come on, you just want to bite me. Hello, you. Hello, you gorgeous babies. Oh, pigeon there. Hi, Pidge. Okay, Daddy's going to cut your wings. You're bringing something to catch her with. You're just going to catch her. She can fly. Hey? Hey? Come. Well, she flies quite fast. She should have brought something to catch her. Come. 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 You see this beak? Come, Daddy's going to fix it for you. Come. You go to Papa. Go to Papa. Alright. Okay. No, it's not like she can bite. Those other guys will take you apart. You'd have to go there. Well, I'm just following you around with my camera getting wet. Alright. Come, Papa. There we go. Let's clip that little beak there. There we go. Now you can bite him. A little bit to her left.
Yeah, so it's got to be careful of it too, yeah?
Give it maybe a smaller piece, smaller. Maybe can.
Just much further. Okay.
And you get a male farm.
I should have bought the male farm. I think it'll chip. Okay. Now you can bite me, so I gotta be careful.